There is a quiet strength within you, already awake, already enough. Before anything changes, before anything improves, you are already holding more resilience than you realize. Take a slow breath in and let it go gently. You are not here to fix yourself. You are here to remember your strength. Allow your body to settle. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your breath return to its natural rhythm. Feel the ground beneath you, steady, supportive, unwavering. Just like the part of you that has carried you through every moment so far. Nothing is missing in this moment. Nothing needs to be rushed. Breathe in presence. Breathe out effort. Bring your awareness inward to that quiet space within your chest. There is a calm center here, a place untouched by noise, by doubt, by fear. And within that space lives your resilience. Not loud, not forceful, but steady, enduring, deeply rooted. You don't have to create it. It has always been there. With every breath, feel it expand, like warmth spreading gently through your being. Now imagine your inner world as a vast landscape. There may be places that feel like winter, cold, still, uncertain. And yet look closer. Even in the quietest, darkest corners, there are small signs of life. Tiny green shoots pushing through the soil. New leaves forming where you least expected them. Stay here for a moment and notice what is growing within you right now that you may have overlooked. Think of the storms that have moved through your life. Not to relive them, but to gently observe. Storms that once felt overwhelming, that that shook your sense of certainty. And yet they cleared space. They revealed hidden ground. They made room for something new. See now how in those once bare places, unexpected blossoms have begun to bloom. Growth that could not have happened otherwise. Strength that only emerged because it had to. There are parts of you still becoming, still unfolding in their own perfect timing. Not everything blooms in sunlight. Some blossoms appear in the quiet, in the unseen, in the moments you almost miss. Trust that. Trust the intelligence within you that knows how to grow, even when you feel uncertain. You are not behind. You are not late. You are growing in ways that cannot always be measured, but can always be felt. Silently repeat within yourself, I carry resilience within me. Even now, I am growing. Even now, something new is unfolding. There are no wrong seasons for my becoming. Every experience has shaped me, strengthened me, prepared me. I trust what is emerging. I trust myself. Let these words settle into you, not as effort, but as truth. Now feel your breath again. With every inhale, draw in courage. With every exhale, release doubt. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes it is this, the quiet decision to keep going, to keep opening, to keep believing in what you cannot yet see. And that is enough. You are enough. Gently bring your awareness back to your body, your breath, your space, this moment. Carry this knowing with you. There is more resilience in you than you know. And even now, something beautiful is beginning to bloom. When you're ready, softly open your eyes.